It's time to get our lives together. Firstly, as you can see, I have a huge box in front of me that is just gonna amplify my life, I feel. I have been wanting one of these for maybe like 6 months now, and I finally got one. Rowan actually gifted this to me, which is so lovely of him. Are you excited? You know what? I really should have brought scissors down here with me. Yeah. Just took me 5 minutes to find these scissors. They were literally over there on my desk. Anyway, let's open this up. I'm so excited. I have seen this on Instagram for the longest time. If you're someone that struggles with gym anxiety, you need this. Like, this is gonna be a game changer. This is gonna take me a while to open. I'll be back in a minute. But yeah, I gotta pick it up. Thank you. Look, that's yours. Not really sure how to get the legs out. Why doesn't this come with instructions? I'm not sure how to get the legs out yet, but this is an at-home workout bench. And I think this part lifts up or something. Well, this is a bit embarrassing. Excuse me, Cosmo. Can I speak for a second? Obviously not. So, this is like meant to lift up, and it's meant to be like a little gym like seat with like storage underneath. But I can't figure out for the life of me how to do it. Surely there's an easy way. Oh, there it is. Oh, the instructions are on the inside. Surely this is meant to be easier. Secondary lever to release the legs. What do you mean? I have never felt more stupid than I do right now. This looks like such an easy thing to open. I thank you for your support. I thank you. Though I have just been out for a meeting and I'm absolutely exhausted, so maybe that's not helping. Oh, thank you. When I finally figure out how to set this up, it will change my life. It's been about 20 minutes, but I just realized I wasn't pulling hard enough because I'm a little weakling. Let's go. It's actually really easy. Just gotta hold the lever up and then like yank it. And then it locks into place. So this is one of the options. So you can do like an incline workout, which is really cool. But I think I'm gonna open both of the legs. Watch this one not work. Oh, it's not working! Oh shit! Can you tell I'm still trying to figure this out? Okay, so obviously if you're gonna try this, make sure the legs are locked. Anyway, how cute is this? I love it. So now I can do actual workouts without having to go to a gym. I'm obsessed. And I also got the little like bands kit that it comes with. It's like resistance things so you can like, you know, work out. Comes in this really cool bag and has like Spor written across it. I just think the packaging of this set is just so cute. Oh my god, it comes with 3. I thought I was only getting 1, but it comes with 3. That's so fun. I wonder what the difference is. Oh, heavy, medium, and light. Okay. Probably can't see in this light very well, but there's like little increments on the thing where you can wrap this around it. Hang on, let me show you. I imagine these like loop. Oh yeah, that's so easy. Okay, so these loop around here, and then you obviously sit down here, and then do like a, oh my god, that's so fun. So there must be like different resistances. Tell me this isn't the coolest thing. So there's also a whole bunch of storage underneath the lift up bit as well. So let's see how much we can fit in there. My skipping rope from Kmart. Naked Harvest booty bands. Oh my god, that's so perfect. So I can fit my little 3 kilo weights in there, 3 booty bands, a skipping rope, and I'm sure if I wound these all up correctly, they could all fit. Jiggly, they're like jelly. But how good's that for storage? I think that's so cool. There is so much storage in this. Bit of a change of scenery for this next bit. We are now in the bedroom and we're going to deal with our digital life and organize that. So if you haven't watched any of my videos before, I basically use Notion for everything in my life. But the way that I use Notion, it it is not ideal. So basically I just have one page called everything, and I just have every aspect of my life just in like a note, which is not how Notion is supposed to be used. So I switched from the Notes app to Notion in order to like get my life together. But I basically just put everything in this one like everything page, and as you can see, it's not a vibe. Okay, sorry if the lighting's changed. I've just taken a quick break, but I am now in Notion. I've just downloaded this template that I got off Etsy. It's gonna make my whole life better. I'm sure of it. Wow, this is so much prettier than my little everything page with all of the lists. Okay, so over on the side here, there's like monthly goals, which is fun. Little today planner, monthly planner. That's so fun. Business hub, money magic, be your best self. Oh, I love that bit. Home and nourish. This will probably be the one that I use the most because of like the groceries, the recipes, the meal planning. Like that's the main thing that I sort of use in my Notion. Quarterly goals. Oh, that's fun. Cool. Okay, so I am going to spend the next little while transferring everything and seeing what categories they all fit into. This is actually going to be a bigger job than I thought it would be. I love the colors on this. It's very like neutral, black and white. There's nothing distracting, which is nice. Like I think a Notion with like really bright colors and stuff like that kind of distracts you from what Notion is actually meant to be, which is like an organization tool. Oh, okay, so she's written a whole bunch of instructions. That's so fun. Hello, I'm Mon from Fauna and welcome to your dashboard. This is a minimal and simple Notion template that you can use to plan and up-level your life. That's exactly what I need. Feel free to edit and adjust the template to suit you, add pictures, change colors, move blocks, add blocks, etc. If you're new to Notion, please head to their website to view the guides and tutorials. Alright, so I'm basically going to take everything from my little everything list and put it into this My Dashboard and organize my life. Let's go! couple days later now and I have just finished putting everything into my new Notion, and tell me why I feel like $1 million. Like, I just feel like my whole life is just finally organized and into different categories, and I don't know, I feel like something in my mind has shifted. I just feel like such a better person. I don't know. So if you want to feel like $1 million and like you've got your whole life together for a change, definitely go and check out By Fauna on Etsy. I'll leave the link down in my description, and you can actually use the code FRIENDSWITHDARBY to get a little discount, which is so fun. Let me just check what the discount is. So the code FRIENDSWITHDARBY will get you 30% off, and I highly recommend checking out some of her stuff. She's also got some other cool things. My favorite is the life planner, obviously, because it has just improved my life. But she's also got a printable blank monthly calendar, custom illustrations, and yeah, it's just it's like a really nice aesthetic. It's like neutrals, and yeah, I don't know, it's a really calming, and yeah, it just makes you feel like you have your life together. How many times can I say that? So that is the digital part of my life done, decluttered, sorted out. So let's move on to the next one. I thought I'd sit down quickly today and just chat about how I'm going to use these things that I've just set up. You can set up a workout bench, you can set up like a digital online planner, but if you don't actually use them, then what's the point, you know? So my actual real achievable plan, oh, hello, hi, do you want to be part of the chat? So I think a realistic workout, thank you. A realistic workout plan for me is Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, because at the moment I'm pretty much doing nothing and I want to change that. It's a bit embarrassing. You're currently sitting on my clean laundry. I still just need to put it away in the cupboard. And I'm not exactly sure if I'm going to do like an arm day, a leg day and like an everything day, or just sort of jumble it all up together. But I have a really vague idea. So I want to do 3 lots of 20 tricep dips. If you're a fitness person, probably don't listen to this because this might not make any sense. But I want to do 3 lots of 20 tricep dips, 3 lots of 20 heavy band chest press. So the Spor workout bench came with 3 settings of like, what's called like resistance bands, and 3 lots of 10 Bulgarian squats, 2 lots of 2-minute skipping, and just like regular things that don't require the bench, like push-ups and sit-ups and things like that. That's my vague workout plan. Now my meal plan, I really want to get into eating fish again because it's like really healthy for you. But I haven't eaten fish in maybe like 2 years. I saw this Seaspiracy documentary that talked about like how they dye salmon. Like salmon from the ocean isn't pink. Like it's a grey colour, but they just dye it pink to appeal to us, and that just really didn't sit very well with me. So I've been off fish for quite a while, but fish is really healthy, so I think I'm going to include that in my diet. And so my meal plan, because we cook 7 nights a week and we sometimes get takeaway, is 1 fish meal, 2 mince, 2 sausages and 2 chicken. So I think that's a pretty good variation of meats, I guess you could say. And so I'm hoping that our regular weekly rotation will look something like this. We'll have 1 day with salmon and veggies on rice, 2 spag bowls because Rowan makes extra for his lunches during the week, sausage, rice and veggie bowl, a roast sausage and veg, honey glazed chicken on rice and chicken parmigiano with chips. So that's pretty much going to be like my meal side of things. And I also really want to do 1 big self-care thing every week. If you saw one of my last vlogs, like I did a paint by numbers thing for a couple of hours, and it was so calming and really nice and really therapeutic for me. And so I really want to get into the habit of doing something like that every week, whether it's, you know, doing a paint by numbers in the lounge room, or like going to the beach by myself and just like watching the waves, and like just something that really calms me down, because I'm a stress head. Like I stress about everything. Like if you got inside my head, I have a feeling like the average person would be a bit terrified. There is just so much going on, and any chance I get, I need to just flush it all out, like calm the brain. I don't know how to explain it. It's just, there's a lot going on, and I need to make sure I schedule in some time to make sure there's not a lot going on sometimes. That doesn't make any sense at all, does it? Anyway, so this is the end of me trying to get my life together. I've got the things and I've got the plans in place, and so we're gonna see over the next couple of months if I actually stick to them and if they help at all. And yeah, I highly encourage you to do the same thing, because getting the things made me feel so good. Like getting that Notion template, it just, I don't know, something in my brain just switched. It's like, okay, so this is the starting point. This is gonna like change your life. You know what I mean? I don't know, but yeah, the link in the description is down for the Etsy template. I highly recommend you check that one out. And I think I might have a discount code for the workout bench. I think it's like 10% or something. It's nothing like no affiliates or anything, I'm pretty sure. It just came with the workout bench when I ordered it. So yeah, if I can get you any money off anything, I will definitely leave the link down below. Thank you so much for coming along with me to try and reset my life. I hope this video has inspired you to do the same, or even if you just got a bit of entertainment out of it. Anyway, I will see you in my next video very, very soon. Bye!